Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. How can I help you?
Sir, please, I want to ask you a question.
Okay, you can go ahead.
Okay. Please, sir, what are the qualities of a good boyfriend?
Okay, thank you so much for this wonderful question. I'm going to answer it to your satisfaction. Actually, to find a good boyfriend in Africa is very simple. Good boyfriends are everywhere in Africa, most especially here in Nigeria. A good boyfriend have the following qualities. Number one, a good boyfriend is very handsome, and most of them are dark in complexion and tall, just like me. A good boyfriend is a protector. He protects the girlfriend always. A good boyfriend does not beat a woman. No, 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 no. A good boyfriend does not raise his hand on a woman. A good boyfriend does not take the girlfriend out for shopping, like shopping mall, eatery, and the rest. No. He takes her to the church or mosque, as the case may be. A good boyfriend does not give the girlfriend transport fare when she visits him. He trek with her and escort her back to her home. And when she gets to the house, he now pays his transport back to his house. A good boyfriend does not give a woman money. I repeat,
God
a
have
good
mercy
boyfriend
upon us.
does not give a woman money.
Seriously?
Yeah, he gives her love, time, and attention. Because love is the greatest and money is not everything. A good boyfriend does not have one girlfriend. He have the minimum of 5 girlfriends and love all of them equally without breaking their hearts or cheating on them. Most importantly, a good boyfriend is a member of Stingy Men Association of Nigeria. He does not give shishi.
Wetin be this?
Good
Jesus,
boyfriends
Jesus,
are everywhere,
Jesus.
most especially here in Nigeria, and they exist.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay.
Please, sir, one more thing.
Okay.
Okay. Sir, are you a good boyfriend?
Go and verify.